Hello everyone, I'm Alex, the founder and creator of Lantic Gin. I'm thrilled to present to you a bottle of Lantic Morva Gin, a true expression of the Cornish coastline and a special edition for the crafting club members. I'm here on the south coast of Cornwall, Atlantic Bay. The inspiration for all the things we do at the Distillery, we're all about wild foraging and trying to really utilise what's on our doorstep. So not just made in Cornwall, but all these lovely elements you see around me are in the bottle, trying to get the fresh ingredients and capture the coast of Cornwall. And I've got my Head of Foraging here, Bentley, and we're going to quickly run through the amazing foraged botanicals we use for Morva Gin. So we've got the quintessential raspberry, a lovely kind of subtle fruit which has a lot of flavour to the gin. Then we've got elderflower. Elderflower reminds me of the start of summer when I see it in the hedgerow. We've got sweet clovers, a nice kind of vanilla-y scent to the gin, along with birch sap syrup, which is very unusual for gin. We tapped birch trees at the start of spring and then made this amazing syrup and added it to the gin. And then finally we have got wild rose petals, just to add that really nice floral nose to the gin, along with 12 other more classic botanicals. So we've sourced the finest juniper and coriander, and then we've added these amazing citrus peels and slices, and then some unusual things like magnolia buds, which adds a real kind of gingery warmth to the gin, and a bit of floral nose to it as well. I've really enjoyed making Morva Gin from the very beginning when we were trying to find unusual botanicals to where we are now with the gin of the month for August. Me and Bentley really hope you enjoy Morva Gin.